Hey there everyone, welcome to the new Django REST Framework course. My name is Namish and I will be your instructor in this course. In this course, we will learn about Django REST Framework. We will start right from the absolute basics from installing Python and Django on the system. Then after, we will move on to different topics. For example, what is model, what are serializers, what is API view, view set, and much more. And then later on in this course, we will learn about some more advanced concept like how to send an email, what is task scheduling, and we will use Celery for this. At the end, we will create a project in which we will create a simple application which will use all the concept that we have learned throughout the course. I promise by the end of this course, you will be able to take down any project in Django REST framework. The only prerequisite for this course is that you must have a decent machine and you have some basic knowledge of Python. So stick around till the last of this course and you will have a lot of fun. So let's catch up inside the course. Thanks.